Hi kids, welcome to the Lisbon Library's STEAM Lab for March 2021. This month we're going to be doing a simple science experiment featuring the water cycle. It's a pretty easy activity. You can pick up your activity supply kit in the children's room while they last, or you may have the materials lying around at home. It's basically a Ziploc plastic baggie, a little dye tablet from an Easter egg coloring kit. You can also use liquid, food coloring, anything that will make some water turn color a little bit. Some masking tape, which will be applied to your baggie if you pick it up here at the library, and some sort of permanent marker, a Sharpie or a marker like this. And you'll also need a little bit of water and a sunny window. So we'll get started right now. So the first thing we'll do is with your baggie, with the masking tape applied to the bottom part as level as possible to the bottom edge, I'm going to just draw a fun little sun and maybe a cloud. Does not have to be very fancy. You can be very artistic if you want to. If you have colored markers, go ahead and add those. Just something fun to jazz it up a little bit. So now I have added enough water so that it comes right up to the bottom of that piece of tape. And I added my dye tablet in there. You can see it's starting to get a little pink. This will take a little while. You can sort of squish it a little bit, and that might help break up that dye tablet and get that water nice and pink or blue or orange or purple, whatever color you happen to get. So after taping the bag to the window, keeping that water as level with the masking tape as possible, I just waited for the sun to start warming that water up. And after maybe about half an hour, I started to see a light fog form on the inside of the bag at the top. You can see it against the bricks there. And after a little longer, we started to see some bigger droplets forming. And they started to collect on that upper part of the bag. More sort of mist formed, more droplets formed. And as that water warmed up, those droplets got bigger and bigger until eventually they got so big that gravity was able to pull on them and they would start to run down and rejoin the water at the bottom of the bag. And that, in a nutshell, is the water cycle. Feel free to check out some books here at the library for more information. Bye, kids.